This is a walk-around and operation video for a 2013 Bobcat S100 skid steer. It is similar to Caterpillar, Kubota, John Deere, and more. This Bobcat is 34,500 Canadian dollars. It has an enclosed cab with heat. It has selectable joystick controls. It has a 34 horsepower 2-speed diesel engine. This unit has a 4,100 pound operating weight. It has 780 hours. It has auxiliary hydraulics. The tires are at 50%. This machine has normal wear and tear and fires right up and operates as it should. There is no smoke or apparent leaks. It's the perfect size unit to clean snow. It is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We can ship anywhere inexpensively. Please contact us for more information. www.edgeequipmentsales.com